Quick, jump! Jump!
I'm getting wet now. I win.
You win?
Yes. You win.
Sacrifice the planet person.
I am not a bad one.
I never said that you were.
I'm wet.
Mr. Chair!
I think we're being taped. Yeah, but it's dark and everything.
Correct.
But they'll record. You can't see him anyway.
It's a ghost.
And this is Meow.
No,
What?
we saw the ghost coming over to any boat.
It's a ghost. We're driving down the road and all of a sudden I hear, hey, it's a ghost!
What?
What it looked like? It was
There's a guy in the baby blue seat.
There's a sheet over his head. He was walking up the driveway. Oh no, it's the guy. Apparently this is the thing. It's the guy. So we came home the other day and there was a kid running down the street in just long pants, no shirt, holding a stick. And he was like a teenager. And he's just like jogging down the road and it's like, what's with that guy?
There's a parade of one.
Yeah, and then when we pulled into the driveway and stuff, I could have sworn I turned around, he was coming down the street and he came across the street like he was coming home and it was like, oh, it's just... But then he went back out and he kept going and it wasn't Justin. And then right behind him was another guy with a sheet over his head. And it was like, well, I wonder what his story is. Because it was like midnight too, you know, and he's just jogging down the road without a shirt, long pants, and a stick. I was like, well, what are you doing?
Great, I found water again.
Well,
Yeah, apparently sitting on the beach at night at the tank. You know what?
Jimmy Meow.
Huh? That's what I thought you said. What'd you say? You started apparently sitting on the... That's what I thought you said. What'd you say? You looked away again. I don't know.
Now I don't remember.
Well, now I think I'm sitting on an ancient bird.
Well, get off of it.
I know. That's what I'm thinking.
An ancient what?
Bird. Burial ground.
An ancient bird burial ground?
You're going to say very ancient bird here. You are too young. You shall not be buried. What was it the other night that struck me as so funny? There wasn't funny at all. I'm like, I don't know why I think that's funny. I think it was at work actually. The person's not laughing, they're all looking at me like, I don't know, leave me alone. So it was really good. Upside down?
The camera, JC.
I don't know. I really don't know. What the hell they're doing.
Okay, I got the napkin.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Still my Doritos.
No, he ain't my Doritos.
My Doritos.
Mine.
That's how JC talks.
She must be getting rid of my bag, Doritos.
Can I have some?
Meow.
Huh?
You're good. I don't taste any sand.
I don't have any skin.
This is good. I don't taste any sand. We should have have him make sandwiches all the time. He's good.
Yeah. When Brooke makes them, it's like crunch, crunch.
Is this crunchy peanut butter?
Crunchy jelly and peanut butter.
Crunchy jelly.
You're not supposed to put it in the sandwich.
I said the last time we were here.
I know.
But there's no extra cost for the crunch. It's free.
That's pretty much how I mixed them. Crunchy? No, it's it's authentic. It's peanut butter and jelly. Shut up. Certain things shouldn't be al dente.
What?
Sure, but they're gone. Okay, yeah. At least I actually have saliva in my throat.
Yeah.
Make it up and check your feet up.
Just looking on them. We're just trying to get Jason.
No, like.
That's even disturbing.
I think I might have some too.
We're just trying to like Jason.
Whoops. I opened the back.
What?
I opened the back. Do you have your money with you? No. There would have been quarters in there. Mostly pennies.
Can I have your pennies, please?
No!
Oh.
Can I have your dollars? No! I want Doritos now. Doritos. Those are Cheetos.
Cheetos?
Get me something. I got it. What are my Cheetos?
This is not the bear.
Really spicy? Yep, spicy. It's spicy.
I can't have them.
They're wet.
They're wet. What did you say?
They're wet.
What?
They're red.
They're wedding? What does wet mean?
I don't know. Eat it.
No. Water bottle. Eat the shoe.
It's full. I don't think it was chapter 2. What was
I think it was
chapter 1?
chapter 4.
Yeah. Periwinkles and platypuses.
That was chapter 3. And Christy's chapter, they talk to each other.
E-I-E-I-O. I think that was 17. No, wait.
No, 17 talks.
Right.
17, 16, and 18 talks. 18 equals 17, 16. And 16 is nervous.
7, 8, 9.
No.
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 We only have multiple 16s, multiple 17s, and then one 18.
Yeah.
And one everything else.
It's your camera.
No. Hi.
Meow.
Konnichiwa.
Ah.
I'm getting wet again. Why are you getting wet?
I don't know.
The sky.
Oh,
No.
I'm getting wet again, and I always get wet because of the sky. Oh, there you go.
Oh, I feel it.
See?
Whatever you do.
She got that light.
Back in New Jersey.
I'm getting wet. Yeah, it's starting to rain. Georgia!
Say hi to back in New Jersey.
I just got some more. Hey, back in New Jersey. You guys want to go back up?
It's raining.
I
It's
don't wanna
pouring.
go away.
The old man is snoring and died.
Yay.
Ah.
It's going to start raining. I don't
I'm
want to
gonna start raining. Fast back. It's broken.
got a big drop of water on my foot.
Tell them.
Am I leaking? What?
Tell them about the birthday pony thing.
Birthday, My Little Pony thing.
God.
You know, the...
You got invited to a birthday party.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, I
that's
got invited to a birthday party by some dark overlord.
It's the lighthouse. Actually, it's
What
his
was
wife.
yours again?
But he's got a big picture over his
Oh,
head.
yeah, I'm married to Amber.
That's Roger. He's
What?
a machinist. But Matt,
Oh.
Who are you?
plumber. He came up here
Shining
last
Armor
week.
proposes to me, which is really weird, because he's already married.
Yeah.
Then again, this is kind of married to my friend and my brother.
Yep.
The yellow lab. Like, oh, okay.
I'm hiding. I'm not going in there again.
Why not?
I don't want to. I don't know. I'm bored. Fine, I'll follow.
Then you look out the window. It's really late in here. Say bye-bye. We have 10 seconds remaining. Quick, 9, 8. Wait, say it again. Go, 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 go,
Bye. Oh, let me show it. Yep, they're all howling.
Howling?
I don't care.
What is that?
I don't care.
My name's Garlic.
They're all howling.
No, do the side out. Do that side out.
What? Did they? Yeah.
Garlic.
Yummy. I didn't even have it.
I don't care. And do the side out. Doggy, I can see it. Doggy, I can see it. Doggy.
Guess what its name is?
Pasta. Caramel.
Spoon.
Salt.
Sugar. Sugar. Where's my teeth?
England.
You have been overtired. We have been overtired. It's okay.
You're way overtired. I'm not too happy with your control. Throw it in.